Hey guys, in this video I'll be unboxing this mouse which I got from Amazon for $7.99. This is a wireless mouse. To open it up, we just have to open up this tab over here and then slide it open. And as you can see, this is our mouse. One sec. It also comes with a set of instruction manuals. Securize cordless mouse. Now we can simply open it up from the bubble wrap and you will see the mouse. Now, as you can see, it has two buttons on the side. It has one button over here, and then this is a scrolling wheel, and it has these two buttons. So you need to remove this, and you need to install two AA batteries, like I have over here. And you can find a USB for the mouse over here, and you can simply plug this into your laptop or computer and use it. And remember to turn it on over here using the on switch. Simply use this mouse. First of all, you need to open up the back, take out the USB, and then plug the USB into your laptop. Now okay, and now all you have to do is simply turn on the mouse over here, like so. And now, as you can see, it's working with the wireless mouse. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.